years.
Dang, dang.
At ang kanyang LP hit ay pinasikat ni Barry Manilow noong 1975.
Kung maganda yan.
Naging #1 ito sa Billboard Hot 100 noong January 1976.
Nako, kaya eto na siya, mga kaibigan. Sabay-sabay natin tawagin. Kahit hindi nyo alam, kaming tatlo na lang. Eto na si
Kenji
Jesus para sa I Write the Song. I love it.
Nice one.
I've been alive forever. I wrote the very first song. I put the words and the melodies together. I am music and I write the song. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that make the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. All my music makes you dance, and with the spirit to take the chance. And the rope song rock and roll, so you can move. Music fills your heart, there's an area, place to start. It's for me, it's for you, it's for you, it's for me. It's a worldwide symphony. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that make the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that make the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. I am music and I write the
Thank you, Kenji.
At Team Broadway naman po. Contestant number 2 mula sa Giginto, Bulacan, 11 years old.
Ang kakantahin niya ay mula sa 1973 musical na A Little Night Music.
Here's Kyla San Roque to sing Send in the Clowns.
Isn't it rich? Are we a pair? Me here at last on the ground. You and me there. Opening doors. is there. Isn't it rich? Isn't it quaint? Losing my time in this land, in my career. We're all clowns. There are to be clowns. Well, maybe next year.
Salamat, Kyla.
Ganda.
Ayan.
Ang ganda ng mensahe. Naalala ko siya.
Ano ba ang mensahe mo?
Punta kayo sa clouds.
Nag-clown din
Punta sa-
ako, di ba? Nag-clown ako before, kaya nararamdaman ko yung kanta. Ang ibig sabihin ng kanta, narinig nyo, di ba?
Oh.
Oh, alam nyo na yun. Papaliwanag ko.
Lakas mahirapan pa ba, no?
O sige.
Naalala ko sa kanta.
Ano?
Ano naman yun?
May set ako mamaya sa clouds.
Wow.
Set in the clowns pala yun.
Mamaya, malalaman.
Sa clouds.
And the winner!
Mamaya natin malalaman kung sino sa kanila ang mananalo at papasok sa ating weekly final.
At mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos.
Wow.
Ayan, notebook, mamala. Notebook.
At kami no notebook.
Saan kaya galing yung